Hi everyone, this is Dave McGarry and bringing you kind of a quick video of what I was talking about the other day when I was talking about mobile landing pages. And I know most of you guys are visual as well as I am, so I thought it'd be easier if I just kind of showed you on screen kind of a little bit about the plugin mobile landing pages is all about, and show you how simple this is and why you need to use it in your WordPress blog. So right here, I'm on the website that actually is the landing page for mobile LPS. Now this isn't a mobile landing page; this is just a regular internet page. But I wanted to just talk to you a little bit for those of you that kind of really aren't sure what a mobile landing page is. They've got a definition on their site that basically says a landing page is known as a lead capture or a page that appears when a potential customer clicks an advertisement or search engine result. Simply put, mobile landing pages are mobile-enabled web pages that show up on mobile devices. So what you can see here is if I click on some of these ones at the bottom, these are some examples or samples of some mobile landing pages. So let's click on it and let's take a look. As you can see, it comes up and all of the text and headlines and everything actually fits directly into a mobile device screen. So for instance, if you go back and you look at this one, actually won't click to open, but when they created this was on a regular Facebook page site or whatever. When you look at it on your mobile device, it doesn't line up. So with this mobile landing page plugin, you can create a number of different landing pages that will actually line up perfectly in your cell phone. And I'm going to show you the really cool stuff here in a second, because you can do this just as simple as 20-30 minutes out of your day to set this up yourself. So let's just go real quick. Just going to show you the features, and then I'm going to go to my page and show you kind of what I did. Talk a little bit about the features, the headline, header options, image, the dashboard here. You can see there's a number of different things. This right here is the QR code. Talk a little bit more about that in a second. Well, why don't we do this? Why don't I go ahead and show you on my WordPress blog the plugin itself. So, okay, here we go. This is basically my back end of the WordPress site where I installed the mobile plugin, landing page plugin. And you can see right here, I just basically titled it. You can make this anything you want. It doesn't have to be mobile local marketing, but that's just what I put for an example. This is the permalink, which this is the actual link that they'll be sent to, and you can actually edit this and change it how you want. Then in here, this is where all the text and the code is going to be. Now, you can, if you know some HTML, and you might need some HTML knowledge if you are installing Aweber, but it's really kind of copy and paste type stuff. Or you can just kind of go individual, just like using Word or whatever. So all you do is kind of type in what you want to look on to be on the landing page, and then you can see right here. This is where I talked about the HTML. I actually added an autoresponder, and so this is the lead capture area for it. And then I also added an image. This is the QR code. Now it's a little big here, you can't see it, but when I show you the page, you'll see it'll come up. And if you don't know what QR codes are, you're going to be seeing a lot more of these. Basically, with all the smartphones, you can actually scan them, and they'll take you right to whatever web page you want them to go. And by no means is this a true example of what your landing page would be like. I just kind of put some stuff together to show you. So then you go down here and you've got header options. You can choose no header, or you can do an image, headline, or you can do both. Now I added this. This is my banner file. So I just chose the file and clicked on it, and then this file came up. Now you do have to have it hosted I'm sorry, I take that back. You do not have to have it hosted online somewhere if it's one of your images. However, if you take that back, scratch that. It does have to be hosted either on your site, or you can go to another site like PhotoBucket, or I think it's I can't remember, iContact. No, not iContact. PhotoBucket is one free place that you can do it, but you have to host your image in order for it to show up. When you move down here, you can actually add a headline. So if you wanted to put another headline, I chose not to. You can change the colors, you can change the font type, all that stuff, just like any other document that you do in like Word and stuff like that. Style options, you can put, for the SEO, for the search engine optimization, you can actually put a page title. So if I wanted to, I could put small business coaching, or I could put anything in there. I could put mobile landing pages. And obviously the search engines are going to pick up on those keywords. I could put a page description in there if I want. I could put basic, or let's see here. I'll say basic bill, basic landing page, or let's put basic mobile landing page. Keywords, once again, I could put mobile landing page, WordPress plugin for mobile landing pages. And you can kind of come up with all the keywords. Once again, you need to take some time to think about that as well. Non-mobile redirect. So if I want them, if they don't have a smartphone and they're looking for this, they go to that site, they can type in then just davemcgarry.com, and that's all they type in there. Head code, foot code, you can mess with those. Title tags, those are all kind of optional stuff. And you can socially enable this to tweet it, but that's pretty much it. Then what you do is you come over here and you publish it. Mine was already published, but it's gonna, I take that back. This one was not published. I have another one that I was working on for you guys that I published, but we'll publish this one and see what happens. This is what happens when you do stuff live. We're a little delayed. Okay, should be published. Yep, you'll see over here it says status published. Now, if you want to look at it, you can do a standard preview, which will pull it up. I don't know why there we go. So you can see there's my header my custom header. So you can obviously work on that for branding purposes. And then once again, this is just an example. This is not obviously what you would want it to look like. You'd want to make it look a lot nicer than this, but just putting in the text. This is the HTML, the Aweber. So if I actually click in there and I put my email, it would send something to me, and I can hit submit. And then if you have a smartphone with a scanner, this QR code, you can scan the QR code and it'll take you directly to the website. So these are just some different options. Once again, you would need another smartphone, so you probably wouldn't put a QR code in there, but I just wanted to show you that you could put a QR code in there if you wanted to. And then it's got all the social plugins and stuff like that, but you'd have to make sure those are all set up. And then tweet this post. And that is the basic view from the standard preview. There's a developer preview as well that you can click on. And it'll just kind of show you that. And that's pretty much it. And the thing is that you can make as many of these as you want. You can go to Page Builder, add new mobile LP. So like for instance, if you wanted to run a campaign that had a text or coupon associated with it, you could basically run that campaign, create it in the site, get the URL, and then obviously take that URL and distribute it either through your Facebook page, your email campaigns, however you want to do it. You can put it on brochures. People will go right to it when they plug it in on their phone, and it'll look just like they can read it perfectly on their phone. So the WordPress mobile landing page plugin is obviously a great plugin to have, especially for anybody who is really serious about marketing their business and using mobile and local marketing as their strategy. So that's it for now, but I just wanted to bring you that quick video and show you the plugin. If you have any questions, obviously you can contact me at dave@davemcgarry.com, and I'd be happy to answer them. So thanks a lot, and enjoy the rest of your day.